Hello, namaste. Welcome everyone in this social studies online class organized by South Point English Boarding School. Me, Kusilal Mahto, with the subject of social studies for grade 9 and 10. As being social studies, actually social studies is one of the subject which gives students viewer how to adopt various of the things in their life. Actually, social studies, the foundations of social studies has been originated in the Great Britain in 1820. Later, it has been expanded in America, and the curriculum of social studies has been mentioned with the disciplines of sociology and anthropology. By this, social studies too had been newly added in our school, in our country in 1980 as an opening of Tribhuvan College in Kathmandu. Later it has been mentioned as history and economy, but these times social studies have the multi-dimensional disciplinary subject consisting of geography, civics, economic, sociology, and anthropology. Let's interest toward the definitions of social studies. Social studies is a curriculum-based subject which teaches students, viewer, who you are, what can be done. By this, all the questions will be given knowledge by social studies. It says that social studies is studied by the various methods. The way of learning social studies can be adopted through inquiry, letters, observation, field trip, discussions. So these are the method of social studies. We can't reveal the particular way. It says that some of the topics belongs without the content, without the methods which we have to adopt those in our own logical way. So students, as we interest toward the social studies, its contents of 100 marks, but 75 marks seems to be asked of written. 75 marks is of written, whereas 25 marks is the practical. practical mark. Out of 75 marks, the content of class 9 and 10 is same. Let's see the content. We and our community development and infrastructure our traditions, norms and values, social problems and their solutions, civics, consciousness, geography, our past, economic activities, international organization, international organizations. Okay, now the students belonging from class 10 have well familiar with the content, but the students who have been sprang in class 9 from 8 have no idea how much mark of this the social studies contains, what mark is content of each unit. So let's see here, we and our community is mainly asked of 5 mark. Development and infrastructures is asked of 5 mark. Our traditions, norms and values is also asked of 5 mark. Social problems and their solutions is also asked in 5 mark. Later, civic consciousness is asked of 11 mark. Geography is asked of 15 mark. Our past is asked of 12 mark. Economic activity is asked of 12 mark. And international organization is asked of 5 mark, consistence all of 75 mark. It's of the written papers of social studies questions. In such a way, the questions is asked from each of the unit. The questions is mainly divided in 3 groups according to grade 9 and 10. One seems to be group A, very short, group B, short, group C, long. Actually, in group A, in very short, is asked of 7 questions. Next is asked of 10 questions, 10 for the 40, and in long there is asked of 4 questions, 4 7 the 28, consisting of 75 mark. Now students, simply by these ones reveal that social studies is a disciplinary subject which teaches the students how to think, how to develop the various aspects with the everything all over our world. So we can say social studies is the study of society, study of the development, study of the various norms, traditions, social consciousness, the law, geography, our past, economic activities, international organizations. it also says that this the contents help us to make sure about everything around our environment. It also said that it is one of the such disciplinary subject which makes us clear to solve various of the problems arise in environment. It also says that it avoids and makes us clear about the rule, law, and helps us to follow those. It also reveals that the various of the social problems could be solved in different perspective way. So, my viewer, strengths, you must have to keep it in your minds before entering in the social studies. In social studies, next I am going to continue the each of the units chapters in the coming parts. Thank you.